Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio from any video clip using the Inshot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot app on your device. And once you open it up, you can start creating any new project or work on any of your old ones. Now just open up a new project and then open this video from which you wish to extract the audio. Tap on the tick mark to import this onto your timeline, and once it is imported, just tap on this video within the timeline and then tap on the audio option. From here, once again tap on this video track and you will now see the extract audio option. Go ahead and tap on this and this will now split the audio track from the video right away. You can now independently move this sound layer and make your desired edit. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to extract audio from any videos using the Inshot application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.